some cute new stamps from Darcie's. Here's some samples. This one here is really cute with the hand sanitizer. Friends like you are harder to find than hand sanitizer. And then you can see how you can use the tin pin. And then we've got this really cute one here, sending you a spot of sunshine. And then there's 3 tin pins on this card. Then we've got, when life hands you a dumpster fire, I'll be there for you. And then we've got 3 tin pins on this card as well. And then the last 2 here, we've got thank you. And then we've got the eagle holding the American flag. And then we've got hey there, sweet cheeks, just roll with it. And then the tin pin on the toilet paper roll. So here are the stamps. So these are clear stamps. We have spot of sunshine with the tin pin. We've got United We Stand. Those are the tin pins for that one. We've got Roll With It. And those are the tin pins. And then we've got Dumpster Fire. And then the tin pins there. There isn't a sentiment here that I didn't read. I'm sorry, that turned out to be a complete and total dumpster fire. Let's see. And then there's an extra sentiment on here. Hey there, sweet cheeks, just roll with it. Friends like you are harder to find than hand sanitizer. And then we've got United We Stand and thank you. And sending you a spot of sunshine to brighten your day. So, really, really cute. I'll have the link down below in the description box. This is a quick video. I have lots of new stamps and dies in the shop. I also have a new company in the shop. So check that out. So there's lots of new items in the shop, so I hope you guys head on over and check out all the new goodies. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Take care, guys. Bye.